Foodies, welcome back to a new episode of Tummy Hunt. Today we are going to make your favorite pizza, and you don't even have to wonder how I know what your favorite pizza is, but stay to the end and I'll let you know. Okay, for this recipe we are using flour, yeast, oil, sugar, salt, oregano and water. Let's get into this. Combine 1 cup of flour, 2 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil and stir it around with a wooden spoon. Slowly add your 1/2 cup of warm water. As you can see, I had a little helper who wanted to watch everything I did and would not leave me alone. Say hi!
Hi!
And now you're gonna add the remaining cup of flour and continue the mixing process until you see the dough is forming, and it will be slightly sticky, but it should be manageable by your hands. Now you can preheat your oven to 215 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Get a clean bowl and lightly grease it with oil, then move the dough around in it to gently coat it with the oil. Using a damp cloth or a piece of cling wrap, cover the bowl with the dough and leave it to rise for about 30 minutes. Now retrieve your dough and gently deflate it with your hands by facing it or slowly pressing into it, and put it on a lightly floured surface, because at this point we are going to roll it out so that it can fit our pizza pan. Now you're rolling the dough to the thickness that you want it, also to the size of the pan. Now it's time for the best part. Okay, so for my pizza I decided I would do a stuffed crust, so I'm just filling it around with mozzarella cheese. Now I'm flipping over the dough to make the crust. Now you're going to use a fork and gently poke holes into your dough to prevent the dough from forming bubbles while baking. Now we're gonna add our tomato sauce. Mine is tomato sauce with minced garlic, minced beef and minced bacon. Adding a bit of minced onion on the top as well. Now I'm going to add jerk sausages, breakfast sausages, and chicken seasoned with Cajun seasoning. And now add the rest of your mozzarella cheese on top, and then add a second layer of your toppings if you want. This is definitely if you want. After that, you need to add a little bit of parmesan, which I didn't have at the moment, on top. Now we're gonna brush the outer crust of our pizza with butter, and I'm just adding a bit of minced garlic on it as well to just create a flavor. And then we're going to bake this for 13 to 20 minutes or until the outer crust is golden brown. And this is my end result, guys. I made a meat lover's pizza. Let me know what you made in the comments. Tell me what your favorite pizza is and what you would like to see in the next video. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Toodles.